Very good tandem na naging producer kami ni Mika on the same project. We work very well together, and I think that's why we work together well together as a couple also. We understand each other, hindi kami nag-aaway. Kung nag-aaway man kami, may understanding na mag-uusap kami and ayusin namin. And from there, pag inayos namin, mas nagiging mature kami and we're able to work even better. So I think it was a very good tandem and we were very efficient na kaming dalawa sa US lang kasi kami lang gumagalaw doon. Siyempre lahat sila nandito eh. So we're kind of taking the reins there sa US and I think we did a pretty good job, no? Boo, what do you think?
Marami kaming natutunan about each other. So yung mga personality namin, we're very compatible pero may sarili kaming strengths and weaknesses. So parang nagmamatch lang kami kung paano namin ita-tackle yung mga challenges. For example, JR is very good. He's very charismatic. Diba? King of R&B. So when it comes to dealing with people, face to face and having these big meetings with producers and distributors, si JR yung parang pinapasa ko sa kanya, you're the face, you have this charisma about you. When it comes to all the admin, emailing, like details and all of the behind the scenes stuff, nalaman ko din na magaling pala ako sa ganun. So siguro nagamit ko din yung pinag-aralan ko sa college by doing this movie. Hindi ko alam kung kailan ko magagamit yung degree ko from NYU. So I think hindi rin nasayang yung pinag-aralan ko. And we just put the goal in mind was the same from the very beginning. And yung passion namin para makamit yung goals namin for this film really stemmed from the whole team. Because we did not want to let our team down. We did not want to let our producers and our investors and also the cast down. Because we really believed in this project. So dahil doon, we had the same goals and we just made sure to make it happen. And it was fun. It was hard, but it was fun.
Thank you. My second question is for Rachel.